We got roofing in A, mechanical, electrical, plumbing in C and A, and then framing going on at B.
Let's go in. So this is our new kind of intersection. Our entrance, our lounge, community lounge. The mailboxes go here. You know, we're gonna have furniture, and then the kitchen through here. So insulation is going in. Here's a 1-bedroom unit and our bedroom, closet. Wow. So living, kitchen, you know, all in one.
Dryer, washer, shelves.
Oh wow, they're moving so quickly. There's the entrance to the courtyard from Building C. So there'll be barbecues and garden beds. This is all RCM space. So, I mean, you could use it really how you want it.